This video is going to be a review for The Walking Dead comic, issue 138. So we open the comics with Jesus straight up jump side-kicking Gregory. Awesome. Gregory, being the little worm he is, pretends that Maggie just passed out. Jesus threatens if she dies, Jesus will kill Gregory himself. Gregory responds, "She's still breathing?" Wrong effing thing to say, man. Jesus growls, "You're a fucking dead man." Fortunately, or unfortunately for Gregory, depending on how you see it, Maggie isn't dead, and it turns out that Gregory is so incompetent, he can't even poison someone right. Good job, Gregory. Sucks to suck. Next we learn, after some speculation, that Carl and Lydia did in fact have sex. Lydia reveals that the group she lives with forces themselves on her and hurts her, and basically rapes her, even though her people don't recognize the word rape anymore, since animals apparently never rape each other. Carl is disgusted by this and promises she won't have to go back. Meanwhile, Maggie puts Gregory in prison, and before she can see the doctor, Lydia's mom comes to retrieve her. Carl is understandably pissed, but Maggie is willing to make the trade so that they can get their own people back, Ken and Dante. Lydia agrees to go and meets her mother. Lydia apologizes and tells her mother she's sorry, and her mother responds, "You call me Alpha, like all the rest." Yeah, kinda creepy. Lydia looks miserably back as she goes forward with her pack, and Carl decides, screw it, I'm going after her, and leaves to find her. So not sure if I'm okay with Carl heading out to get Lydia. I get you usually become attached to your first sexual partner, but this is a little nuts. There's also the added emotional level that Lydia made him feel comfortable about his empty eye socket, something he's not used to. I mean, she even licked it. And not to be gross here, but Lydia was raped by multiple people. Does no one think that Carl now has an STD? And we can imagine Rick's reaction when he hears his son has gone missing. He was already uncomfortable with Carl going to Hilltop, but this will most likely cause Rick to freak out. And we've seen the things Rick does when he freaks out. I'm kind of hoping that if Carl gets imprisoned by the Whisperers, that it's Michonne that rescues him. Where is Michonne? On the other hand, if Carl doesn't get captured, but this is instead a way of showing what's going on outside the communities, I'm all for it. I'd love to see what's happening with the others rebuilding their own idea of society. I'm also so glad Gregory bit went the way it was. If Gregory had killed Maggie, I'd riot. I love Jesus' running sidekick to him. That was just beautiful. And really, could you be any more incompetent, Gregory? Could you? I also really hope Gregory snitches on the parents too, and then the parents end up going to prison as well. So this was a pretty good issue. I'm glad that we're getting 2 Walking Dead comics this month. So make sure you come back next week when we review The Walking Dead, issue number 139. Otherwise, we have Comic vs. Show for the Walking Dead series and reviews on it as well that you can check out.